program is designed primarily to build excellent project managers. There's a lot of value add to the program. For instance, once you finish the program, you will be ready and able, if you qualify, to write the exam through the PMI, the PMP designation exam. But our foundation, core to the program, is to create great project managers, excellent project managers, and people that can return this investment back to their organizations, back to the departments and companies that they work for, in order to be able to produce better project managers, in order to be better at what they do. So our goal, build excellent project managers with some value add. As I say, the exam prep is one thing. However, a lot of people tell us it's the people they meet on the program. Great networking. People go away having met some really key people at key organizations in the project management and other areas as well. It's a very important part of our program. We pride ourselves in actually producing people that can manage projects, go back and actually use day in, day out what we've taught them. We deliver tools and techniques, templates, documentation that is really applicable to what they need to use back at work. One module at a time. There's every module, even after every module, there is something that you can use. But as well, once the whole program ends and we wrap it all together, it is that there's lots of deliveries of, we have delivered a lot of tools, techniques, knowledge, and otherwise you can use back at work. People often ask us what's unique about our program, and I like to say that there's a series of things in our program that are quite unique, I believe. One is the cohort format. We're starting and going right through the program with the same core 20, 30, or 40 people that you start with. Every week returning with the same group of people. This is a huge benefit to the learning process, we believe, because it allows you to get a comfort level, to gain a comfort level with people that you never met in your life, and eventually being able to let your guard down and be much more engaged and in tune with what's going on and take in a lot more through the process. With the university backing, we do have a final exam to the program that just sort of forces people to go back and study what they've learned and sort of get back and review everything that we've gone over. But we have that rigor, and that's what the university partnerships allow or force us to do. It gives it that foundation that a university requires for an excellent course like this, or for this type of course, this type of program. So those are a couple of some of the unique pieces of the puzzle. One of the other unique parts of this program, I believe, is the simulation that we run through the program. On opening day, we actually divide people into teams. They work part-time, not the whole program by any stretch, but part-time with a core of 4 or 5 other people to work through a project from beginning to end, wrapping up the whole program at the end with an actual execution and delivery of the project to a client, which allows them to see the actual project process, that whole life cycle from beginning to end, which is very important as we use the tools that we've taught them throughout the program on this simulation project.